They are making we will plant. We put the seedling first. Seeds. Make it grow. Our plan is we're going to grow vegetables. So that's what we're doing now. So we mix the soil in the fertilizer and then we put the seeds. That's the one. What are you guys doing?
We make the soil and the
Fertilizer.
fertilizer. Ano? This ilaw ning daghan ng paning soiling.
It's like they're mixing dough.
Oh.
Making cake.
Share.
Oh, our chili is growing good. Tambok. Well taken care of. Alagang Pati and Jidlen. And si Mother, the most beautiful in the world. Nanam ng Mother lagi. So we're going to clean up here. We will put. Hi mangga, bitaw. Sige naman nagkuan. Oh, it's nice. My mother was sitting down here, have air. Fresh air. Uy, hala, the papaya.
Oh, hinog na te.
Oh, we will get that one.
Oh,
Yes,
basig maiguan ko diri ha.
the bird will get.
Pwede ba yan nasong kito-kiton? Malata.
Malata na.
Katkata. Uy, si ate. Aw, tao, kung buntes.
Dito kakat-kat sa kaning kahoy.
Sige na.
Doon na laman. Pumuntay kuan, ladder. What a ladder.
Kaya na. Ano mas ate?
Sige, then you put na. Butang na sila. Butang na.
Agsid eh.
We will get.
Isang ko sa tanan de.
Dili. Mag-as tandani.
Mini pot.
Mag-as tandani lagi.
Aga tong mini pot kay katong tong ina.
Aw, pwede mo rito. Oh, inigtubo na, inigbalhin na. Inigtubo na sa sili. Aw, sili. Kanang seeds. Ngadto na ito ibalhin sa pot.
Nagdaro meron guys. In English.
Wow.
Gusto niya mga bato. Play you, play.
Ang the most kuan ra ba aning exciting part aning mananom kay harvesting time. Then we are proud proud of
Proud.
exciting part harvest time.
Dapat ko ante na. Uy, batong te.
Ambot daghan naman tong ipalit dani.
Maabsi batong ta. Awa. Agbat na mura naman na sit.
We cutting off that. We cutting the na.
We cutting the tela.
That's to cover for
Plan.
not the chicken come in the seeds.
Kanila te or
Not
pangaon
taking
pa te.
out the soil for the seeds to eat. We have to protect the seeds that cannot eat the chicken. Okay. Here's the one. Katong spray.
Ah, mag-spray ito? Okay.
Pag-spray ni dyan. We will use the spray. Oh, sige. We will bring na that. Show that one.
Here guys. Here guys.
Kung naana sa tubig lang.
Ako may sabi.
Sige, ikwan. I-spray sa. Anak. Sige. So, we will also put the laundry outside. Sige, we put full. Okay? Okay na. Tara. Dalhan nilang. Palihog.
Hindi ko pero.
This is our
Sayang po
Tara.
ano? Wala na lang.
Sige, cover sana dito. I-spray gamay lang. Water.
Spray.
Spray gamay. Sige. Spray gamay. Ay, na pag-spray. Na. Ako ba? Then you cover.
Saan pag-cover mo? Yan na.
Okay. Sige, ina na nga cover. Okay, tomorrow morning we will check. Double na. So tomorrow morning we will check that one. Ina na ra pagka-cover lang ana. Then you put here kanang stone. Okay na nang duha. Stone. Gamay nga stone. Okay. Okay na. So
Dili po.
ayun na dira. Asa man ibutang? Oh, sige ka na. Okay. So, tomorrow we will add water, spray. Then we will hang the laundry. Hanger. Hanger na lang. Yan naman. Andiyan na. Kana asa.
Cinta wala.
Aga lang mga kitchen towel. Ina na lang. Abi na lang be. Ako ray ko andi ray. Kana ka.
Tawel.
Ha?
Tawel.
Be ami po na. Be. Mga kitchen towel be.
Ihimos lagi.
Oh.
Tayo mo na, oh.
Hakbat.
Okay.
Balik na lang dito ha.
Ate. ate.
Diha nga ibutang.
Ito. Ito po mga si mama ko. Ang putong mo.
May kitchen towel. Ito naman ay kitchen towel. Puno.
Pili, kitchen tayo. Pili. Ito lang ang lawan. Ang lawan natin. Ano? Ito ka doon. Tulungan.
Diyan na lang sa imong likod. Diyo kay pink. Pink. Mini kitchen towel. That means that we always cooking. We use a lot and then cooking and dishes.
Yeah.
We use a lot.